So is it time now to buy that soybean oil futures price dip? We're starting to get into the historical bullish seasonality zone. As you can see there on the chart, really ramps its way up through the rest of the year. And if we head up to the COT, large speculators numbers, we expect them to be moving in the way of the price above that. We see that. That's an encouraging sign. So overall, at the moment, things looking more bullish for soybean oil. So what about some shorter term price action, where we head to the Req'd charts, and you can see our three indicators at the bottom are all turning bullish, and we head up into the price action, and you can see strong support at 52, and that yellow shaded zone, that seems to be a key breakup area, about 66. And if it can do that, then you can see those potential upside targets. If it fails here, it's got a lot of noise, like I say, through that zone down to about the 60 area, and it breaks there, then again, that strong support at 52 could be where it ends up. But due to those other factors that we've seen, the COT seasonality, the upside looks more odds on at the moment. And this is the December contract. That's the main one with the most sort of open interest at the moment, about 139, 140k. Next after that is the SEP 22, 61k for open interest. So let's just summarize the targets and the price action. So current POV on soybean oil, bullish. As we mentioned, key price zones, it's really that 60.5 to 66 area. It's got to break either side or the other, and if it breaks that 66, then it's more bullish, and around about 61.5 it's going to become more bearish. Now if you're bullish and you want to trade, stop 62 area, and bearish, going short 67 area. Targets to the upside 72, 85, 95 to the downside, 60, 53 and 44. Where can you trade soybean oil futures? Well, I've jumped into the broker Tiger Brokers, link in the description below if you want to give them a try out. Available all around the world, internationally, US, anywhere. And as you can see, ZL contracts, many of them, many futures contracts have different time periods, so you can put long and short trades together, but remember the DEC 22 is the main one. So there you go, somewhere where you can trade, if you've got maybe a bullish or bearish point of view. And if you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons, and all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in that next video.